Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a simple trick from which you can make awesome looking custom text color. For this, open After Effects and create new composition. Name it as custom text color. And hit OK. Now create new solid layer. For me, white color is perfect. Now create a text. Now create another text, with N symbol. Choose different color. And duplicate it. And place the N symbol over the first text. Now pre-compose the N symbol. And name it as Add. And select the Add property, and it's done. You can play with different colors and fonts to make more attractive. Thanks for watching.